Look what I can do.
I am breaking fireworks. I'm making fireworks. Hold it like this. Hold it like this.
Hey guys, it's me!
Once again.
Oh!
That hurt like crap, dude. Alright, guys.
We're acting like these were gunshots.
God, man. You getting all this action?
Yep.
Did you just see that? It caught on fire.
Dude, I can smell the smoke.
Yeah.
Hey, here's the gun it's supposed to go in.
But it don't
Really
work.
cool, huh?
Don't work.
Yes, it does. It pops some.
Some of them. You know what? This is the package of them. Not much anymore. Alright. Let's have a little bit of fun. Guess not.
There's nothing in it.
Yeah, there's nothing in it. Okay, well, looks like I'm going to be putting the scraps in here. Blowing up all the scraps.
Here you go. Nobody wants you to see scraps. Hey, here's my war spatula. It has blood all over it. It did have blood all over it. But I cleaned it with a hairstylist. Brush, whatever, spray thing.
Alright, guys, here we go.
That's Clayton's little sister. Goodbye.
Did you say you're funny?
Ah!
This. Alright, here, record this, because this is the final. This is the finale. Guess not. Hang on, guys. I will make your finale the best.
Hold on.
Dude.
See that red thing right there? Right there.
Yeah.
He's gonna explode that.
Like that.
He's going to explode it.
Did you see that? Did you see the sparks
On
that
camera.
flew off of that?
On
Get
camera.
that, Savannah, and put it over here.
Hey, I'm gonna end this video.
Oh my God, they're gone.
I'm gonna end this video.
See ya, bye. Good fireworks. Look at all the fireworks that's on the ground. Once again, I'm cameraman.
Hey, let's
Bye.
do the